What is up, boys? We're back. Completed the first 6 months of 2025. Let me make my mic match with my fucking shit real quick because we're delayed. Like, my fucking voice looks so delayed. Anyway. Okay, it's better now. Okay, let me show you these stats. 60% win rate, 1 to 1.11. Not bad, dude. Obvious expectancy. Look at this trend. Beautiful. Lost in January. It was my only unprofitable month. And I'm just figuring out, following this checklist. Probably would end it more profitable if I redo this shit, but let's get in the next 6 months of 2024 year. And 2020. Yeah. Wow. Backtesting until profitable day 3. Oh, I didn't update this shit. 367. Got a little whiteboard. 367. That's a horrible 7. Okay. Now I got fucking expo marker on my shit. Okay, so July 2025, July. Alright, let's go June 30th. I will make it out. Okay, I'm gonna do, I think, 2 weeks today. We'll see where the wind takes us. So Tuesday, July 1st. Yeah, I was looking at colors, boys, if you were wondering. Okay, a lot of news today. 10 a.m. news. Oh, nice. You go out every night trying to find it. Let me play some so we have a new week opening gap. We're trending lower right now. It's my draw. Potential bullish SMT, but new week opening gap's pretty damn strong in my opinion. So swept out this high.
Talking about me behind my back. He said he kills all the feelings like me.
So we have a bullish SMT here and then a potential bullish SMT here. I'm really going to pay attention to where the 5 minute wants to go, but right now we're bullish on both. Closed above. Let's get a retrace. What is this? 10 a.m. news. Okay. Still haven't broke structure. Hold on. Let's go. Okay, much better.
Oh, babe. It's okay. I know it felt real, my love.
Finally got that inversion, and then we have a obvious bullish SMT off data lows. This will be my entry.
The slightest chance, the tiniest chance that it does, I'll be with you through it all.
Okay, let's go through our checklist. Clear high time frame buys. Not necessarily. This was actually. Yo, what was that? This wasn't even a gap. I don't know what the fuck that was. Okay, so we swept up previous day lows. Bullish SMT, reversed on the 5-minute, or just continued to stay in 5-minute. I don't like how bearish NQ looks on this closure.
Who's my sweet little?
Like the fact that we retraced that deep, but we do have a London high. We broke 1-minute structure on both. We're in 5-minute bullish, retraced into a 5-minute gap after getting. Actually, no. We already got the SMT off of these lows. Yeah, this looks good. A plus setup. For some reason, I'm just worried because this retrace on NQ so deep bullish. Okay, first TP hit. Break even. Got break even there. Unfortunate. But that was an A plus setup. I don't know why I was worried.
Back on my chest.
A plus work on his head top. Give me head top. Wop. 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 Stop auto-correcting. Addison, Ray, type. Stop auto-correcting. Type. Oh my. Type. Sheet. For all the new viewers watching, I just want to say I appreciate you coming onto the channel, dude. I've been uploading every day for about 4 months now. I've been backtesting since July of 2025, and I finally came to the census that I'm not following my strategy. So I followed it, backtested 6 months in the past 2 days, and the results show. Okay, we have a bullish SMT. Let's see if we want to reverse. We don't really have any other draws to the downside. We took this as well. Yeah, let's see if the 5-minute already reversed actually. Gotta just wait for those 5 minutes to align. Actually, I don't really care because this is such a huge sweep in SMT. Actually, nah. Our next draw is all like strong draw. It's like here, here, here. Never would have gotten a retrace. Fuck! I knew that shit was coming. Still didn't break though. There we go. There we go. This is nice. Let's inverse this 1 minute. Broke structure. Like ES looks good. In terms of the 1 minute. The fact that this was such an iffy break and we still held this 1 minute, I'll just wait. There we go. And our longs here. And we have a bullish SMT off this low as well. just gonna go break even at this hourly gap. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even. There we go. Nice delivery, dude. The reason I went break even is because that hourly gap aligned with a 15-minute high, and we were kind of extended bearish a little bit, so that could have just been a fill to bring us lower, even though this should be high resistance liquidity. Just wasn't willing to take that risk, but it played out. Good trade, another A+ on his head. Top. Change 5 minutes on both after making high time frame. Bullish SMT and sub. Hit daily bullish trend. Today was CPI, I can just tell. Unknown farm, whatever. And then the fourth is a bank. I'm not gonna trade this. We have good draws to the downside, and we have a bearish SMT. Higher time frame really depends how we dump through, because we're kind of in an accumulation zone. I am just going to be paying attention to the 5 minute, but I'm definitely bearish. We're in a 4-hour gap. Just see. Okay, I just want to short this bitch right now. We're going to hit our draws. Unfortunate. The fact that the hourly is just so indecisive. Just gonna wait. Okay, now we look pretty bullish. Now we're definitely bullish. I'm just waiting for a 1 minute confirmation, because this counts as our retrace. I'm not really worried about the draws. I already took Asia lows.
Society's fault. You hate school, but you still come here because it's not like there's anything.
We didn't deliver right away. I'm not confident. Jeez.
Nothing to make that actually happen.
I hate this now.
Okay. Can I leave now?
Don't you see a future for yourself at all?
You don't know about your loss, because it only occurs when you love something more
Checked out these lows. Bullish on the higher time frame. Looking for longs up to this high. Let's see what the 5 minute gives us. See, this is actually very bearish. But now the 5 minutes are misaligned. The reason I wouldn't have taken shorts there is because the high time frame doesn't have a direction yet. You know, like technically now we're in bearish price action because the 10 a.m. closed. But like we weren't prior to that, and price really wasn't a show on what it wanted to do.
Does that encapsulate you? Personally, I don't give a shit about all that because you know what? I can't learn anything from you. I can't read in some fucking book.
So we either reverse here or want to continue lower. And it looks like we want to continue lower.
I hoped you would. I wanted to show you. I don't have anyone else. I think a lot about media, the pure
Bearish S&T here, we got that manipulation.
start again. String.
Broke structure here. Or did we break on one candle prior? Yeah, we broke here, so
I was meant to be new. I was meant to be beautiful. The world would have looked to the sky and seen hope, seen mercy. Instead, they look up in horror because of you.
is this the yeah, I'll put stops up here because
Could have made the effort.
this is the high that swept these. This should be protected. That's what filled the trend.
Maybe I never
It's
would have
low-key
found
kind of predicting price will dump a lot more, but I would definitely like to be very much protected on
You
this.
should be more careful with. You know what? The Enchiridion can. Let's go check out some petroglyphs.
Really? You do that for me?
I just feel like we shouldn't revisit here. I don't know why. Just seems like a good place to put stops. Clear high time frame bias. 5 minutes, not really, but 5 minutes are aligned. We did break hourly structure to the downside.
I could have made better.
Liquidity sweep. We got that 15-minute SMT. Broke structure. 5 minute change to the downside.
What a wonderful experience.
Came up for a 5 minute retrace, bro. It's kind of chop work. 1 minute confirmation on both indexes, yes. I feel like TJR would take something like this. Strong draws to the downside. Is this chop work though? Nah, it's not really chop work. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And I really like the stop placement. Okay, stopped out. Of course, I'll probably make a bearish S&T and then run down. Now we did it. Unfortunate. I really thought price would want to deliver lower, but we were kind of far from the draws. I would take that shit though. Kind of far from draws. Thought price would want to deliver just because. Time trade. Not the best. Already took out some draws.
I try to smile, but it feels fake. I'm just going through the motions, waiting for something that may never come. It's hard to find happiness when you're constantly battling with your mind. I wish I could turn it off, but it's always there, lingering. I want to feel alive.
And like also I understood that trade was like higher risk, you know. Wasn't a super big fan of it. I mean, we're clearly trending higher. Just took out one draw. This is our swing high.
I'll continue to struggle, waiting for a change, a way out of this darkness.
Okay, we do have a bullish SMT of this low, but it already got completed, really, the legs here. I'm just going to trade a continuation setup here. If we get a retrace, and we took the highs. Damn, price just wanted to pump today. All good. Let's see if we reverse here. Not a chance next day. Shut my door, please.
Hey, bud. Did you pick out a rug?
No, can you please?
I want to do this for you, like this thing one.
Okay. Can you please shut my door? Thanks.
Have you been wondering if your mental health is possibly getting worse? You're losing interest in the little
We're gonna get a bullish SMT here, not a doubt in my mind. See if we reverse. Damn, market really wants to dump here. Price in the high, broke on here. I'm really looking for longs. Retracing, let's just change order flow back to the upside. We did on ES, let's get a real break of structure though. Dude. Ah.
Or a mental health professional. Get the help you need to navigate these troubling times. Number 2, you get overwhelmed easier.
Gotta re-wait for a retrace. The reason I didn't like the inversion of this gap was because we have a gap up here. I guess it's actually not really a valid gap here. Could have taken it there. Not really strong though. Get a retrace somehow. Why didn't I take it there? This should have been the trade I took. I just was worried about the other 1 minute gap, even though it really shouldn't have been. And it was a 1-to-1 there. 1-to-1. That was ass not taking that.
Invisibility or flight. Right. I'm already invisible.
Let's rotate higher. Okay, we inverse back to the upside. So we sucked out all these lows, filled a 30-minute gap. We have London highs, swing high, and like Asia highs above.
What's wrong? You've been so quiet tonight.
Gotta get a retrace though.
Something happened at work.
Yeah, I don't think we'll get a retrace.
If you don't tell me, then I can't guess what's
The reason I thought we wouldn't get a retrace is because we swept these in this 5-minute inversion. That's kind of, this is kind of like our retrace here. It's just the fact that we broke 5 minutes to the downside. It's kind of iffy. See if we want to continue higher here.
Honey, no matter what's on your mind, I want to be there for you.
Already inverse
I want
there.
you to speak your mind to me. I want to be involved, okay? No matter what it is that's troubling you. Because you're important to me.
No unmitigated hourlies, no unmitigated 30s, no unmitigated 15s, and I'm not trading towards 5s.
I know how much it can hurt to keep your emotions bottled up inside. It's okay to cry sometimes. I don't want you.
Yeah, I just can't take this too far away with 2 title stops and 2 overextended market.
I don't want you to.
There we go, though. This is something I
hold
like.
that to yourself.
Sweeping a 5-minute low inside a 5-minute
It's
gap.
okay to cry.
Now let's see if we want to rotate higher from here.
In the moment, but
Okay, no.
in the end, not being able to cry tends to hurt more than just being able to let it out. You know, sometimes we try so hard to forget, to avoid things that are painful. We push ourselves to move on from a difficult time, not allowing ourselves to feel, because we just want to get
It's
over
so late, but the fact that we still have volatility in the market, dude. Broke, filled a 5-minute, validated an SMT, and then broke structure to the upside on both indexes. I'm gonna take this. Clear high time frame bias. Hold on. Clear high time frame bias. Yes. Filling hourly gaps, continuing higher. Still got high time frame draws intact. We got a liquidity sweep. Or we got a fill of that hourly gap, which actually will take us higher. Towards the strong draws, yes. 5-minute change. Yes, we broke. Filled 5-minute retrace. 1-minute confirmation both.
I'm sorry.
I've never really traded this late, but it looks
Fall
great.
deep then.
Okay, fuck. Still think we'll deliver eventually. Alright, I know not to trade that late anymore. I'm gonna do one more week. That was a super unprofitable week. Not gonna hold you.
You can take
Really late trade. No, do not trade. Late anymore.
help somehow. I want you to know that I'm always happy to be here for you.
Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you.
Okay.
It was me.
Man, we're filling an freaking hour and 4-hour imbalance. Yeah, let's get a reversal here. Why? Because we're so far from the other time frames in a bearish trend on the higher time frame.
I felt myself drifting away, and I feel it
Whoa.
begin to wane with each passing day, like a leaf that keeps dripping over time. I love to slowly leak out.
Okay, I mean, if we want to reverse here.
I stayed longer than I should have. Before I knew it, there wasn't a single drop left in me even still wanted.
Nah, can't trade that. Pricing a 5-minute
No
high.
matter how much I succeed,
Retracing.
still loving me, I'm sorry. It
Broke
wasn't me.
structure
It
there.
was all me.
Made a potential 1-minute SMT. Let's just wait. Okay, this looks good for longs.
I could no longer be there for you. I just wanted to clear the air for you. I understand you hate me. I never imagined that I'd
Never really liked targeting the internal high, but
that I didn't plan for this.
do I think price will deliver on the higher time frame? Yeah.
I never meant to fall out of
Now that we sucked out this high, filled an hourly gap, clear high time frame bias is bullish on the hourly.
but not in the same way.
5-minute change in order flow. No, we got the 5-minute high price in retrace, which broke 1-minute structure to the downside, and we broke right back to the upside.
I was just calling to say,
Why am I not liking this anymore now that I just don't like the way ES looks, you know, because this could easily be a break to the upside to start a rotation lower, but this follows a strat. We filled out early gaps up to all these 5-minute lows, made a bullish SMT off of it. I'm just scared ES won't deliver and that will take us lower, but we'll hammer it in. We have other draws to the upside. One take profit hit. Break even there. Could have just taken my full profits at the internal high. Good setup. Nervous to take because I did not like how ES already took the internal high, more of a riskier trade. We did deliver though. My main thing wasn't based on ES taking it. My main thing was the fact that we had a bullish SMT and swept out all these lows and then reversed, you know. And we did end up delivering higher. Okay, we're bullish for sure. Look at what we just swept. We swept out a bunch of 30-minute lows. Filled an hourly imbalance. I mean, again, I don't actually like this that much. Because you don't have any higher time frame draws, man. Broke to the downside and inverse to the upside. Inverse the 5-minute there.
They slander my name. They fire my coach. And I felt like all that was
Higher
on
time
me.
frame.
I was the leader.
Bullish.
A Baylor, of Waco.
I'm gonna take this. I think price will draw higher.
And they took us down from the top. They took the best player.
Clear high time frame bias.
Out of the Big 12.
Swept out all these lows. Started 5-minute change in order flow. Liquidity sweep on high time from low time towards a strong draw. Only problem is the draw is not strong, but we got the sweep of all these lows. Started a reversal, retrace on the 5-minute, 1-minute confirmation of both indexes. Yo, not cool. Let's see if we want to come back up. Yeah, dude. I mean, if I really look at this shit, ES looks like shit. I think the main thing there was there's really no reason for price to want to move higher. You know, there wasn't any strong draws. And just because we broke 5-minute structure doesn't necessarily mean price would want to deliver. It's today's CPI day. Dude, yesterday was CPI. I don't trade on CPI days.
up, I don't want to do anything, and when I get out of bed, I don't do anything. I just kind of waste my time. It's funny because I have all these goals and ambitions, but I just can't bring myself to accomplish any of them. Like, I used to make music and art and do all these cool things, but I don't even want to fucking clean my room anymore, and I don't know why. Like, I don't think I'm depressed, but I'm devoid of motivation. I don't see.
I never got the proper retrace.
It's like I'm locked in a perpetual state of what is to me
there we go.
non-existence.
There we
So
go.
I force myself to go outside and make a video.
Build the 5 minutes, swept out all these highs.
Am I the only one that's
Right here.
lately? Like,
And then reverse back lower. We are a bit overextended, which is a worry, but I think overall price would want to deliver. We came so close
The
to
other thing
these.
about depression is it kind of collapses time. Suddenly, you find your whole day's blending together.
So clear high time frame buys, and we're rejecting out of this 4-hour gap. We broke 5 minute structure. We swept out these 5 minute highs, and we filled a 5 minute gap, and then we broke to the downside. 5 minute retrace, 5 minute break, 1 minute confirmation on both indexes.
Fool, yeah. Come on, let's go drink till we can't feel feelings anymore. And I was thinking,
fuck, dude.
How about we go on an actual date? I guess what we all learned is that no matter who you are,
I wasn't confident in this shit either, dude.
guess who has a date on
Wasn't confident. I hate when the indexes weren't aligned on the higher time frame. And we already took out all these draws, dude. That was low-key ass that I took that shit. Low-key, not it was ass. Because I'm just trying to trade the exact strategy, but I do need to look at the draws, you know. S&T. 1 minute break on both indexes. This is confidence right here. Swept out these lows, made a bullish S&T. Started a reversal in the 5 minute, retraced by breaking 1 minute structure, made a 1 minute S&T, and then broke on both indexes. Come on, dude. Can't catch a break.
Did you hear that, Kendrick? You texted me at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Please deliver the full take profit. So unfortunate. I knew where price wanted to go. We retraced back again. We wanted to retrace deeper because there was a big imbalance, but I was confident in taking it because we got a 1 minute SMT. I mean, I'm on a big ass losing streak right now. Swept down all those highs. Potential bearish SMT. Higher time frame draws, we got none. Let's just reverse here, dude. Five minutes aren't aligned. Once the 5 minutes align, I can do something, huh? Fuck me. All the draws. I'm not taking a trade. I'm doing one more week. And that will end off the month and we'll see where we're at. It's just been shitty, I've just been trading shitty. Not taking A+ setups. Not taking trades I'm obviously not confident in. We're just gonna bull run this whole session, guarantee it. Next day. Market opens lower. Took London highs pre-market. We take them here. Yeah, I think so. So not a bearish SMT, but where are we trending? We have a bunch of high time frame lows, but looks like we're trending to take them out right away. Hold. No, we didn't break there anyway. Broke there right where one take profits would have been. So cannot. Unfortunate. All TPs would have been hit. We just broke on ES sooner. Next day. Dude. This just looks ass for trading, bro. Traded at 12 one. This has been shit trading, dude. Traded 12 one day. Just been doing a bunch of bullshit. Like, where does market want to go, bro? I like to go higher, but what are we doing? Oh, we're sleeping on these lows, making bullish SMT. Hold on. I'm gonna go back before I look at the 1 minute because I know we probably got a break somewhere. Okay, of course. One more back. Okay, we got the break here. I think there's no other possibility. No other place for market to go. Are these equal? Relative equal. That's a great triple relative. This is so great. We barely broke 5 minute structure, so I'm not worried about that. The higher time frame's clearly trending bullish. That would create a high time in this. I'll create an SMT off this low. We held the 5 minute here, and then we inverse that one, broke 1 minute structure. with obvious draw to the upside. That was so obvious. Equal highs above on ES. Very strong draw. SMT FB lows in 1 minute aligned. Okay, hopefully I could just win today so we can end the month slightly profitable. Really just shouldn't have traded that CPI day. We wouldn't be in this situation. And this day looks ass because where's the higher time frame trending? No clue. Swept out London lows. Didn't sweep them out here. This is chop work. I'm not gonna trade in there. We need an obvious direction. Then Q looks obviously bullish. Just one more. So broke to the downside there. Inversion there. Inversion there. SMT here. ES looks like dick, but NQ looks great to continue higher. Unless we already swept these highs, which we did. Like that's pretty far away, right? Not really, actually. 1 to 2 to Asia highs. We still have draws on ES. Made that 1 minute SMT. It's just ES looks so dick, dude. And I think just because ES hasn't broken out bullish, I can't take this. Just because ES looks so shit, I can't take this. We broke out a little bit on ES, not enough though. Still have that SMT. Got an inversion and a break on ES. I could take it here. I guess I'll just wait for the 1 minute break. I'm just really worried about this setup. For good reason though. It's because price just looks very choppy. But here we go. Now that we closed above these highs, I'm confident in taking this. Inversion of this gap. Actually, I'm still not confident in this. Fuck this, dude. Thankfully, I didn't take that. Ended this month unprofitable. But that was just because of stupid trades. Traded late one day, traded CPI. Those are 2 days that I shouldn't have traded. That would have put me up at least 2 RR in a month. Horrible, horrible. I'll see you boys in the